Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a little something different when it comes to my hair videos. I decided to basically challenge myself to do an install in 10 minutes. I actually really have to leave like the house pretty soon, so hopefully this all work out. So I got my other phone right here and I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. Now the wig that I'm going to be using today, it came from Elva Hair. They sent me this beautiful, nice bob, you feel me? Now I already bleached the knots on the wig. I plucked it a little bit. I just finished cutting the bob straight like a blunt cut and straightening it and stuff. But yeah, I did that off of camera because I feel like every time I do a video, I basically do the same thing. I'm gonna challenge myself to do this wig in 10 minutes. I don't think it's gonna be hard because everything is pretty much prepped already. I just gotta put the cap on, glue the wig down, and get right. So actually, I think I'm gonna do 15 minutes because 10 minutes is like a eh. If you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you guys check the description box down below so you guys can get you guys one. Because I know with summertime and wearing long hair in the summer is just not a vibe. I know that for a fact. So yeah, it's a bob wig and we're about to get right onto the video. Now, the only thing I'm kind of nervous about is the cap part because I know that take the longest. In my opinion, doing the cap take the longest because you want to make sure the cap is nice. The cap is good. So where's my cap? Hold on. I'll be back. Okay, found it. I usually like to use like one that's a little bit more brown than this because I hate having to do the whole putting foundation or powder over the cap, but whatever. We're gonna use this one. I'm gonna set my timer after I put the cap on my head because yeah, 15 minutes. All right. Y'all don't make fun of my blow dryer. I need to buy a new one.
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Now I'm gonna put the wig on. Let's see. I usually cut the lace off first, but I'm gonna try it this way today and hopefully it's not on no dumb stuff.
Who's next? Who's next?
I literally have 1 minute and 14 and 10 seconds left and I haven't even cut the lace. Hella tough, hella fail, hella sad.
Who's next?
All right, y'all, the timer's up. Very sad. I should set the timer on 5 more minutes to see if it'll take me like 20 minutes to do the wig, but I'm not because I obviously can't do it in 10 minutes. I mean 15. So yeah, we're just gonna finish. This how it looks. I glued everything down and I cut this hair by myself. Like, I'm so proud of myself, like, period, when I'm at home. Yeah, so oh shit.
Who's next?
And this wig actually fit perfectly on my head. Like, I don't even have to cut like no extra part on the ears. Like, all I gotta do is basically just cut this lace right here. But like, usually I'll have to like actually cut a piece in the lace because it wouldn't fit, but it actually fit perfectly on my head, which is weird because my head really small as shit. This is the Pantene Mousse, and this is my first time using this, and I love it so much. Like, it's so, like, look. Wait. Like, if you shake it and then you just, like, a little bit goes a long way. Like, I literally only put a little bit, and it's, like, gonna do most of the work for me. Like, period. But I get extra with everything I do, so, see? Like, it's very thick. Like, you don't even need a lot, but I do too much. So, of course, I'm going to have a lot on mine. And I'm just going to put that here and there. Really, I think the mousse is really to lay the wig flat. And when I have a bob, I want it to be flat as possible. Like, very flat, because I don't want it to look all bulky and ugly and stuff. All right, y'all, so I just realized that, like, I cut all this even and thing, and as y'all can see, this part is a little longer. So I'm about to attempt to do it on my head, and I'm scared as hell. But yeah, definitely wasn't gonna be able to do this wig in 15 minutes, but it's possible. So how the hell? Okay, that looks better.
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
I love sleep.
Y'all, so this is the finishing look. This is how everything looks. This is how the hair is. I like it. I haven't worn a bob in a long time, and I haven't received a bob from any other company in a long time. And the first bob I did was actually pretty but this one is mad cute, and it's actually blunt, and it's just nice, and it's hot as hell outside. It's like 93 degrees, so at least it won't be like a bunch of hair down my back. and period. Hopefully my lace don't come up. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. All the information on this hair will be in the description down below, so make sure you guys check them out so you guys can get a nice little wig. I'm not sure if I have a discount code or not, but if I do, it will be in the description box down below. What other hairstyles you guys want me to try. And yeah, until next time, Desi out.
Way too motherfucking wavy. I can't imagine myself being basic. I feel like the man when I'm thumbing through faces. Hide all this pain in this balloon.